Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be sharing with you my automated quarterly report on Assessment Form 1. If you find this helpful, please do not forget to share it to our fellow educators. For you to be updated to all of the educational videos that I will be uploading here, please do not forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell. This is the example of quarterly report on Assessment Form 1. This form is given to us, class advisor, for us to input the grade per learning area of our pupils, so that we will be able to know and submit to the office as to how many learners in our section belongs to outstanding 90 to 100, very satisfactory 85 to 89, satisfactory 80 to 84, fair satisfactory 75 to 79, and learners that did not meet expectation. As you can see here, it looks like this, but when I put the grade of my pupils in every learning area or subject, it will give me the summary as to how many students in my section belongs to outstanding, very satisfactory, satisfactory, fair, satisfactory, and learners of mine that did not meet expectation. Kung paano ko siya ginawa, simply I add another worksheet, the analysis per learning area. This worksheet will give us the total male and total female that belongs to outstanding, very satisfactory, satisfactory, fair, satisfactory, and learners that did not meet expectation. So since naka-set up na po ang worksheet na ito, and I would like to show you kung paano ko ginawa ang formula, first punta muna tayo sa review tab to unprotect the sheet kasi protected siya. So click unprotect. Gamitin nyo lang po ang password na 112086. Click OK. So unprotected na po ang worksheet na ito. Since unprotected na siya, delete ko na lang muna all the data in these cells because I would like to give you an idea on how to make the formula for this form to be automated. So here, as you can see, this is Filipino. So for the formula, click this cell, click the equal sign, type the word if, open parenthesis, go to QRA form 1, click this cell, look at the formula bar. If it's equal to 90, then if it's true, it's 1. If it's false, it's nothing, or it's 0, then close parenthesis. Click enter. May formula na ito. So what we are going to do now is to put the cursor here, then drag it going to your right. So let's check the formula. So this is H14. H14 90. So let's look at this one. So this is not I14. So we are going to change the I to H because Filipino is in H14 cell. 90, change it to 91. Enter. This one here. So H14. Then this is 92. 92. Click enter. This is H14. Change 90 to 93. Click enter. This one, same, H14. 94. Click enter again. So for this one, same H14 tayo. Then click, change it to 95. Click enter. Here, 96, H14. 96, click enter. This one, malapit na. H14. 97. Click enter. So 98, malapit na. H14. 98, click enter. 99. So H14, 99, enter. Last one, H14, so this is 100. Click enter. So right now, what you are going to do, put the cursor here, then drag it down so that the formula will copy. Okay, ayan na po. Tapos na po. So what we are going to do now is to try if this formula of ours works. So titingnan natin siya if gumagana ba. Ito lang po yung ipinakita ko sa inyo just to give you an idea, because if I will do all, medyo matatagalan tayo because lahat ng learning area ay andito na. So let's go to our QRA form 1. Titingnan natin if gumagana ba yung formula natin. So in this form ay mag-a-assume tayo ng mga grades in each learning area. Titingnan natin if the formula that we have in our analysis per learning area is tama ba. Okay, ayan na po. Tapos na po. So, all grades in each learning area, meron na po siya. So, right after placing all the grade here in each learning area, we will be going to look at if automatic bang nagka-calculate yung analysis per learning area natin. So, let's proceed to analysis per learning area. So, as you can see, let's go up. As you can see sa Filipino, meron siya. So, let's try to see if it's correct. Meron siyang total male getting 90 to 100. Meron siyang 4. Si male number 1, male number 2, male number 3, and male number 4. Si male number 1, meron siyang 98. So, let's try to see if it's correct. 98. So, male number 1, 98, 97, 92, 91. So, meron siyang 4. So, kung makikita mo, meron na rin siyang total male getting 90 to 100. So, nagre-reflect siya. And all the answer here, or the total male, total female getting 90 to 100, 85 to 89, 80 to 84, 75 to 79, and below 75, ay nagre-reflect din siya sa ating QRA Form 1. So, let's try to see. Let's go down. So, ito na po. Nagre-reflect siya sa ating analysis of learners' progress and achievement report per learning area. So, makikita nyo dito sa Filipino, English, Math, Science, AP, EPP, ESP, and MAPE. So, again, ang kagandahan po ng form na ito is that you will not be counting the number of pupils that belongs to outstanding, VS, S, FS, and did not meet expectation in a manual way. So, should you wish to have a copy of this, ay ilalagay ko na lang po ang link sa description box below.